All right, guys. So we have 5 questions here. This is question set 48. So we need to use update keyword on this all 5 questions. So first question is change the first name of fifth student on the student ID card to Amanda and make the relevant query. So now you know how to update, how to use update query, because in my previous video we little bit use update query, and now this video is all about update query. So let's go and see what is the wrong with this 50 student. Yeah, this Amanda Moses. So we have typed Almanda like that. So that is incorrect. So we need to update that name. So let's go to command prompt, and this is my previous queries. Don't need them. So now we have to update uh, school database dot student table set first name as Amanda and set first name as Amanda. We need to give the abbreviation. If we don't, our query is not okay. Okay. And need to use equal mark on here. Amanda, where, let's use where clause, where student ID equals to 5. Let's see. Okay, I think it's all right because query is okay. Row matched. Let's see. Yeah, our first name is changed. So now you know how to use update query. So now we have to use another update query. So let's go to see it. Teacher ID equals to 2. Let's see teacher ID equals to, real quick. View me page. Yeah. What is the thing? First name of the teacher should be changed Kamal, and the last name to Senadira, Kamal Senadira. Gender is male, phone number want to change, and email want to change. Yeah. Now let's type the update query. Update pchdb dot teacher set first name Kamal and use and close, and state last name, and last name equal to Senadira. And gender want to change like male, and contact number want to change like let's copy that, and want to change the email equals to Kamal at gmail.com. And now it's okay. Now we need to give it where uh, teacher ID b equals to 2. 2. Now it's okay. I think let's execute this. Uh, let's try that again. So let's name. Okay, guys. So this is the query. When we are going to, yeah, I think my fault is on this AND operator. So let's not use this AND operator. I use this comma and let's see. I think it is all about AND operator. So you can watch that error. So error code is this 2200 and 7. You can search that error code and find out what is the error in Stack Overflow. So let's see. I think yeah, I think it's error in AND operator. So we are putting AND operator. It is not executing well. So now let's see. Now it's okay. Kamal Sinadira mail and number is also changed and email is also changed. So when we are using AND operator, you can't execute the line. So this is my new and write query. So I will show you that this is it. So you can see update. I mentioned the database name and table name and get the first name as Kamal, last name as Senadira, gender as male and contact number as this and email. I change the email, but don't use AND operator anywhere. And uh, I use this teacher ID to identify the correct row. And now its query is okay. So we did second question. We learned some new thing. We can't use AND operator to uh, show another condition in this DDL language. Uh, we need to use comma. Okay. Now I change the name and also change the student name Amanda. Now we are going to third one. Search for one Rajapaksha teacher ID using the teacher table. Create relevant query. So we have to search someone. So now you know how to search. Let's see who is one Rajapaksha. ID is 3. We can get first name and last name to find that. So select first name, select select from uh, teacher table teacher, and we have condition where first name equals to 1 and, and last name equals to Rajapaksha. I think it's okay. So you can see we get all details of one Rajapaksa row. So this is one Rajapaksa first name and last name and gender. We can have his contact number and his email and his teacher ID, teacher registration ID. So let's see. Yeah, we want to get all the details. So we get the all detail. So we can also use select query in DDL queries. Now you know how to do that. So let's go to fourth one. Find the teacher's ID of the teacher who teach science. To do this, search the teacher table and the teacher has subject table. Create the required query. So that means we have to connect those two tables. That means teacher table and teacher has subject table. We can use inner join or something like that to search that. All right. Now we need to find the teacher's ID from science teacher. Yeah, but we need to find the teacher ID of the teachers who teach science. To do this, search the teacher table and the teacher subject table, create the required query. So we can create that query. So we need to select teacher ID, teacher ID. Uh, yeah, we need to find teacher IDs only. So get the teacher ID from teacher as subject table, and we have condition where subject ID. Now we need to select from teacher subject ID table. So let's select science subject. So select subject ID from subject where subject name equals to science, and close the bracket, close the semicolon, and teacher ID. Okay. All right. Yeah, teacher ID. We need to find the teacher ID. So that is foreign key column. So let's type that again. Select Okay, now I did that. So I need to get science. I need to copy that. I don't think my now it's all correct. We select from teacher ID column, from teacher has subject table where subject ID column, and now we can select exact subject. So we need to get the science subject, and we write the query like that. And now let's execute that and close the bracket. Need to close the bracket and put the semicolon. And now I get the teacher ID. So we have three. So let's see. Our subject ID is 3, and let's go to uh, now you can see this subject ID. Subject ID is equal to 3, so teacher ID equals to 3. Then you can see uh, third teacher, that means one Rajapaksa, that teacher teach science subject, so we get the teacher ID as well. So now it's all right. So now we have to go to fifth question. So fifth question is all about create a view. So you know how to create a view because we did that view part in my 38 or 36 to 38 videos. So I create the view in 36 video and I update the view in 37th video, and 38 video I remove the view. Now you know how to create view, and we also use query method to create the view, and we know how to graphically create a view. Now I am going to create a view using DDL queries. So now it is not uh, really different. So you can see it, create view. Now we have to create view subject view. So let's get the view name and create a view like gradient and paste it. Okay, it doesn't work. So view subject, and use this as keyword, and select. Okay, what are the conditions? Let's see. Create view names, view subject with the view to view all subject. Use the subject table for that. Create the relevant query. So we can get subject names from there. So subject name from subject table, and queries. Okay. So let's see. Our view is created. Yeah. Now let's go and refresh this. Okay, you can see view subject table is view subject view is created. So that's how we can create some view using DDL queries. So we can also select all from subjects, then we can get subject ID also. So this is it. This is the fifth question. So I will show you quickly. So fifth question and fourth one, and you can see the fourth one here. Fourth one, we search teacher ID who teach science subject, and there is a one wrong error message here. You can also search that from the Stackflow website, and this is third one. We search Ruan Rajapaksha teachers details, and this is second one. We update our raw teachers table, and also there is a truncate incorrect double value error. That error is because we use AND operator to show all conditions. So we can't use AND operator when we are updating something. We want to use comma mark. And this is the first one. We change the name like Amanda Moses. This is it. This is it. Yeah, this is it. You can see it. And this is how we did our set 48. So we have another two question set to ask, question set to discuss. So those question set, I'm going to tell you how to backup database and how to restore database using DDL queries. You know how to database, how to backup database and restore database using these graphical methods. So we can export database as SQL, and also we can restore it when we export it. So using DDL queries, we have some method to do that. So I will show you in my next two videos. All right, I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.